Hello, are you thinking of doing your small business tax yourself using TurboTax software or something similar to that because you just started your business or maybe you feel you are too small to do any tax planning? Well, I have better news for you. Pretty much for the same price, you can borrow our system and my team members will even help you put the numbers on the form. That's taking a lot of confusion away. Lot of struggling with which number to choose, which number to pick, and which number to put on what form. I am Simon Sabir CPA with Pay Minimum Tax. If you do taxes with us, what you get is your federal and state income tax done and ready, electronic filing done. You get portal access all year long, and a live person helping you, and we are open all year long. That's a lot of benefit to throw away. If that sounds valuable to you, go ahead and place the order now, and someone will get back to you shortly. And we are looking forward to working with you.